Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create sticky header of your page with the background color sense when scrolling the page. Okay, so before getting started, let me show you the example. I am on this page now. Okay, so you can see here the header color is the same as my top section color. Okay, so this header section is actually a transparent color. Okay, and now if I start to scroll the page, you can see the header color change and the header is also sticky. Okay, so in this video I'm also going to show you how you can do this for your page. Okay, so let me show you step by step process. Okay, so here I'm on the page builder. Okay, so I already have a header. Let me delete everything from here, and then I'm going to take a new section. Okay, let me take it here, a new section. Let me get it back to the top. Okay, here is the section. Okay, you can see here the background color is transparent. Okay, and now I'm going to take one column row, and then I will put a navigation menu. Okay, so the navigation menu is added, and then I'm going to add my logo. Okay, I'm going to add the logo. Where is it? Here is the logo. Okay, let me find the logo. Okay, I'm going to add this logo. Okay, to make it good looking, I need to change the logo size. Okay, from the navigation here. Okay, so you can see the width and height is 100 pixel. That's why it looks like this. So I'm going to put 200 pixel width, and the height will be auto. Okay, so I will not put anything here. Okay, so like this. And then for the font size of the navigation menu, I'm going to increase it to 18 pixel. Okay, and same for mobile. Let me do it. Yeah, here is it. Okay, so now I'm going to make it sticky section. Okay, so just select your section and then select here sticky to top on a scroll. Okay, select this. Actually, this will make your header section sticky when you scroll the page. Okay, and then you can remove some extra padding if you like. Okay, it's depend on your design. Okay, but in my case I'm going to put 5 pixel top and bottom padding, and also for the column I'm doing the same. Let me do this. Okay, 5 pixel top and bottom padding. Okay, so now I'm going to add the script. Okay, so at first we need to add the code snippet option. Okay, the custom HTML and JavaScript code, and then I will put the code snippet. Okay, so here is the code snippet. Okay, now we need to change few things. Okay, first of all, select your section. Okay, the header section. Go to advanced and copy your CSS ID. Okay, for this section, CSS selector. Then go back to your code. Okay, and then change this section ID from here to your section ID, and then also replace this section ID here. Okay, and this time you don't need to put this pound sign. Okay, so without the pound sign, and the first one is fine, you need to put the pound sign, but the second one you don't need to put the pound sign. Okay, and then put your color here. Okay, here's it. Okay, just change the color as you need. Okay, and then save it. Okay, then publish the page. If everything goes well, then I should have the sticky header section with the scrolling color change option. Okay, so let me preview this. Okay, so now the header looks good, Okay, and once I start to scroll, it changes the navigation. Okay, so one more thing I need to do, I need to make the navigation also the transparent. Okay, let me select the transparent background. Okay, I did not do this, that's why it looks like this. Okay, so let me save again. Okay, and then preview. Okay, preview, click here, and now, yeah, that's it. So this way you can add a transparent header section with the color sense when scrolling the page. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also you can join our GHL Code Snippet library premium version, or you can also join our community. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention, this code snippet was requested by one of our customer. Okay, that the member of our community. Okay, he asked to get this code snippet, and we already did this. Okay, and added to the members area. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.